Imagine the perfect French fry. It's golden brown, lightly salted, and so crispy that each bite is music to your ears. Now imagine that fry is from McDonald's. No wonder they're beloved worldwide, with millions of people succumbing to their salty, starchy allure every day. The secret to these irresistible fries begins with the right ingredients. And today we're going to reveal the magic behind them. The star of the show is, without a doubt, the potato. But not just any potato. The russet Burbank potato is the chosen one for its high starch content and low moisture levels, which give us those fluffy insides and crispy outsides we all crave. But the potato is only half the story. The oil plays a crucial role too. McDonald's uses a blend of canola oil, corn oil, soybean oil, and hydrogenated soybean oil. This unique mix is the secret to giving those fries their distinctive, mouth-watering flavor. Now to the process. It begins with peeling and cutting the potatoes into thin, uniform strips. Precision is key here. Uneven fries will not cook evenly. Next comes a crucial step often overlooked at home: soaking. Soak the cut potatoes in cold water for at least 2 hours to remove excess starch. This step ensures the fries will be crispy, not soggy. After soaking, it's time for the first fry. Yes, you heard it right. McDonald's fries are double fried for maximum crispness. The first fry should be at a lower temperature, about 325 degrees Fahrenheit, to cook the potatoes through. The second fry, at a higher temperature of about 375 degrees Fahrenheit, is what gives the fries their golden color and crispy exterior. But we're not done yet. The final touch: seasoning. As soon as the fries come out of the oil, they're sprinkled with a mix of salt and sugar, giving them that addictive, sweet, salty taste that's so characteristic of McDonald's fries. Now you're ready to serve. Remember, McDonald's fries are best enjoyed fresh out of the fryer, so don't hesitate to dig in as soon as they're ready. There you have it, the secrets to making McDonald's-style French fries at home. It may take a bit of time and effort, but the result is definitely worth it. After all, who can resist the temptation of those golden, crispy, salty, sweet delights?